All right, good morning. Happy Monday, first graders. Today we are going to look at our spelling words for the week. Our spelling words for the week are going to be words that have the short I in the middle. And we've talked about the short I recently, but we're going to review it this week. And remember, the short I makes the I sound. So we're going to be working on those words. Oops, why are these all backwards? Oh, okay. This is the first word. The first word is, can you read it? It. Sit. Like I sit at the table. And let's spell it. S-I-T. Sit. I can sit with my class. Sit. On your dry erase board, go ahead and write the word sit. All right, great. Our next spelling word is, this is the word mitt, like a baseball mitt. You play baseball, you use a mitt to catch the ball, and this is how we spell it. M-I-T-T. It. Mitt. Mitt. Very, very good. Mitt. Go ahead and try to write that word on your dry erase board. M-I-T-T. Mitt. All right, good job. Let's look at the next word. What do you think this word is? Can you read it? What is it? Miss. Like I miss my friends. I miss going to school. So that is how we spell the word miss. Let's spell it. M-I-S-S. Miss. So this is one of your spelling words, miss. Go ahead and write that on your dry erase board. Miss. Good job. Let's look at another word. What is this word? It. Very good. And we know how to read it because the short I says the I sound. So it says it. It is time for school. It. It. Very good. Go ahead and write that on your dry erase board. It. Awesome, let's look at our next word. We have two words to know, which are like our sight words that we're going to be using as spelling words this week, and you know this one. The word one. Go ahead and spell it. O-N-E spells the word one. Good. Go ahead and write that on your dry erase board. One. Good job. All right, let's look at our last word. You know this one. What is this word? The word the. Go ahead and spell it. T-H. E spells the word the, and this is one of those words you should already know, and you should already know how to spell. So we're going to practice these spelling words this week, so let's go through them again. The, one, it, miss, mitt, and sit. Good. So what you're going to do for your assignment in your Seesaw is you're going to come here to Seesaw, and you're going to practice building those words, our spelling words. So for example, if I want to spell the word it, so I would drag the I and I would make the word it. So you're just going to practice building those words for your assignment.